Hello friends, I am Ashok.sanodiya and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel.
Here you can see that this is our garden's clay soil and it is dark in color, but at your location and geological condition it may be found in different colors. But at all area and geological condition its common property is same. Clay soil is highly prone to compaction and waterlogging, means when we do watering then it become too much sticky, and when it get dry then it also become too much harder. And these both conditions are not good for the plant growth, because in both conditions the soil do not drain the water quickly, and also there is very less aeration found inside the soil, and our plants feel lots of stress and also not grow well. So it is most necessary to identify and improve the clay soil before the planting process. And for this, first of all, we should take a small amount of our garden soil, and after this, we should squeeze it with our palm pressure as we are doing here. Now, you can see that our soil is compressed and become too much sticky. It means it is high clay soil and we need to improve it into good potting soil before we are planning to do planting.
I hope this information will help you, and for any further query, please write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.